What is the process to enter programming mode and reset the thermostat?
Hey there, in this video, we'll walk you through the process of entering programming mode and resetting your thermostat. Whether you want to change the settings or troubleshoot issues, these steps will guide you through the process. So, let's get started.
Entering programming mode.
To enter programming mode on your thermostat, follow these steps. 1. Locate the control panel. Find the control panel on your thermostat. It's usually located on the front or side of the device. 2. Access the programming mode. Depending on the thermostat model, you may need to press and hold a specific combination of buttons or use a touchscreen interface to access the programming mode. Refer to the thermostat's user manual for the exact steps. 3. Enter the programming mode. Once you've accessed the programming mode, follow the on-screen instructions or use the buttons to navigate through the menu options. Look for the programming mode or settings menu.
Resetting your thermostat.
If you need to reset your thermostat to its default factory settings, here's what you should do. 1. Locate the reset button. Look for the reset button on your thermostat. It is usually a small, recessed button that may require a pin or paperclip to press. 2. Power off your thermostat. Before pressing the reset button, it's important to power off your thermostat. You can usually do this by removing the thermostat from its mounting plate or turning off the power supply at the circuit breaker. 3. Press and hold the reset button. Using a pin or paperclip, press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. This action will reset the thermostat to its default factory settings. 4. Power on your thermostat. After the reset, reconnect your thermostat to its mounting plate or turn on the power supply at the circuit breaker to power it back on. That's it. You've now learned how to enter programming mode and reset your thermostat. Remember to consult your thermostat's user manual for specific instructions related to your model, as the process may vary slightly. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the thermostat manufacturer support team. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.